In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change password in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open the settings. So how we can do so, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way or manner, you would be able to open the settings window. Okay, so here at the settings, directly proceed to the left side of that. There you can see an option called accounts. Click on that one. The moment you click on the accounts, you will be able to bring up the account section. Kindly wait first until it would be ready for you before we continue. So here at the account section, you'll get to see the account settings where here it contains a list of the option. Please proceed to the second of that which is signed in options. Click on this. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to see different ways to sign in. First is you need to navigate here at the additional settings, and here in this option you need to ensure that this switch is being off, because if you will enable this one you won't be able to see the password option. So enable that, and the moment disable that rather, and in that way you'll be able to see this password. So here at the password aligning to it, you can see there down arrow key, click on it, and eventually you'd be able to see or get this option called change. Click on this one and you will be able to open this window called Microsoft account, where you can change or modify the password of your Windows 11. So just a moment, please wait until it would be ready for you first before we continue to the changing of our password or the security that we have set here. Okay, so just have to click on the retry button here and wait again until you'll get that menu or you get that option where you can set or change the password. Okay, so there we have that. You can now change your password. So here it requires you to have 8 character minimum and case sensitive. So I would suggest to create a password that is a strong one. So please include a special characters like hashtag, dollar sign, percentage sign, and more, asterisk sign, and more. Okay, so just have to type the current password first. Okay, the password that you have set currently here in your Windows 11. Okay. And once you've set it, just have to input the new password. So you can also check the password that you have set here at the current password, just have to go with this eye icon here, and that way you'll be able to check if you have typed the correct current password one. So here you need to input the new password that you would like to change or that you would like to set. Again, I would suggest to have a correct 8 character minimum, which is the required one, and I would suggest again to include with special characters so that you would be able to create a strong password. So by that, please type the password that you would like to go with. Okay. And there you can see an eye icon here. You're able to see that. Okay. So just have to click on that one so that you can check if you have typed the correct one here in your new password, because you might type the wrong one. Okay. So it is very important to check it. And once you have checked it, click on next. The moment you've clicked on next, you would be able to change the password here in your Windows 11. In that way, just have to restart your computer. The moment you've restarted it, it will require you now to input or to type the new password that you have typed or that you have set here in your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.